Today we're sharing our experience with the LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Plus. As proud owners of the original NEO 185, we couldn't wait to try the Plus model and see how it compares. While unboxing the NEO 185 Plus, we immediately noticed the thoughtful packaging. Everything we needed for installation was included, no extra trips to the store. The innovative design of the sliding hinges caught our attention right away. It's clear this product was designed for convenience and durability. Installing the NEO 185 Plus is straightforward. We appreciate the clear instructions and the ease of the slide-in mechanism, which makes adjustments simple. Even if you're not handy, this bidet attachment is incredibly user-friendly. The setup takes less than 30 minutes to install. One of the standout improvements in the NEO 185 Plus is the innovative hinge design. Unlike the original NEO 185, the Plus model allows you to easily move the bidet up and down for cleaning. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to clean underneath the attachment without having to fully disassemble it. We found this to be a major upgrade, especially for maintaining hygiene around the toilet seat area. It's a small but thoughtful improvement that makes a big difference in everyday use. The dual nozzles are another standout feature. The rear and feminine wash options cater to different needs, making it versatile for the whole family. The water pressure is adjustable, allowing you to customize your comfort level. Compared to our original NEO 185, the Plus model feels like a step forward with its improved hinges and overall build quality. In our experience, LUXE Bidet continues to deliver on performance, reliability, and design. If you're considering upgrading or trying a bidet for the first time, the NEO 185 Plus is worth a look.